how to add icons in Figma. So the first thing we can do when we open our new project in Figma is we can go to this bar up here in the top left, and we want to look for resources. You can also type Shift+I on your keyboard to bring this up. And after that, you want to make sure you're in plugins here from the top. And now we can use one of these plugins to easily add icons. For example, icons 8, this one. We can just click on that and it will run this program. Here you can see it has a multitude of different icons you can choose from, all kinds of styles. You can also choose a specific type which you want, and like a specific keyword which can help you find the right icon you're looking for. You can also choose the different sizes which are available. You can also choose between PNG or SVG. You just click on it and it will appear on your board. You can also choose the color. This is only available for some, like here in this arcade section I can choose PNG or SVG, and in others you can also choose different colors for like different color variations. You can also look for illustrations and different photos you can add. It's a very useful plugin. And another one we can use is if we go to this one again, we can type in Iconify before I searched it before here. And this is a similar plugin. It has also a lot of different icons you can choose from. Here you can see the different categories. Some are made by Google or other offers. You can again type in specific keywords like arrow, for example, and it will bring up all the different arrow icons for me, and I can choose whichever I want. And there's also a lot of tags which can help me find the right one for me. And that's it. That's how you add icons in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.